poof. I think I gotta do that again. It's good. Okay. Hey, it's video chat time. Woo! We got a monkey. He's my bud. Yeah, he's our chatting buddy. Yeah. I'm afraid it's you. Did you fart next to me? Is that what you said? Okay, where are we doing this? That's not making it on there. Okay, hold on. No, it totally is. Totally. I did not fart. BTW. Okay. Yeah, just chatting today. What did you do today? Become queen? Yep, I became queen today. I robbed a bunny. The prince hat. And I befriended a monkey. A Hawaiian monkey. Oh, you wanna see what he does? I'm not molesting him, just give me a sec. Yes, you are. You're opening his butt pockets. It's okay, Gong Gong. Bust him out. Is he dancing? Well, he just sings. You can't expect him to do two things at once. He's just a monkey. Alright. I can't too! Is that you can't even hear him. You can't even hear him sing because we got 5 in the background. Anyways. People are discriminating against monkeys. Yeah. Oh, you know what time it is? What time is it? I think it's time to show my room. What? Show my room. Oh. This is my dojo. Obviously you can tell I live here. Got a genie lamp up there. That's my dresser. That's my slave. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, that's the Indian bunny. I don't know if everyone has that, but I do. Amanda does. Alright, now I gotta light this back up again. Alright, it's good over. Okay, right there. Okay, say. I didn't think that through. No, you didn't. Alright. So, what's the point? The point is to talk to our friends via satellite. This isn't via satellite. Via flip phone. Flip video. Yeah. So, today, what are we doing? Making a video. What else are we doing? Oh, we have to go run. Yep. Lose some weight. Yep. Lose our fat asses. Yep. Hopefully. Maybe. Miracles do happen. Yeah. Not if we eat hamburgers after we run. Anyway. There'll be... Anyways. Let's go run. Okay! Hey! On a daily jog with my rat tail. Wait, what? Oh man. In the woods. Oh yeah, in the woods. It's kind of dark. I didn't realize how late it was. Oops. Anyway, it's pretty late at night. So good. A cardinal! Amanda? Amanda? Run! He wants our blood! Oh my god! That bird, he was fierce! You didn't get the best of me. These are just battling. He wouldn't stop. He wouldn't stop. He was everywhere and nowhere at the same time. He was like a ninja. He took off my socks without even taking off my shoes. How did they do that? How? He was like a zombie bird. I'm gonna have a nightmare. It's like the birds. But there's only one, and he was a bad A. He was like a murderer. He got my eyebrow. He got your... Hey, Mom. I don't have to wear an eyebrow. He pecked inside my nose. How did he do that? It was when I wasn't looking. And he pushed that elbow off in the shopping cart. No. No, I need to get our minds off this. a scary movie with no birds in it.
Okay. Sounds like a good idea.
Alright, we're taking Alright, we're gonna go watch a movie. Okay, we're gonna watch the movie. Yep. Peace out, you.
Oh man, that was a damn good movie.
So good.
Oh man,
It's so scary. Oh my gosh.
had me shaking in my boots.
Oh, and Jensen. Oh, he's gorgeous.
I'm mofo that man.
Oh, he is.
Oh man,
His jaw structure.
jaw structure.
Oh, it's so
Didn't hear a word he said, but man, when he came on screen, I came on screen.
Did you?
you know what I'm saying? Sticky floors, right?
Yep.
Not from the pop.
No.
Man, that was scary though. That had me.
I think I'm gonna have nightmares.
Oh, no, me too. No, you know what I'm gonna have nightmares about? What? You hear that? It's the bird! Boy, but he's hot.
Oh, it's still recording!
Oh! Man, that Walmart trip was a blast.
Someone killed a hobo. This isn't good. It's the Robin! Ah!
Like, whoa, they're coming at me! I was like,
Oh, I'm gonna grab him. Oh, the axe. That was
so fresh. 3. 1, 2, 3.
Protect his
Do I do it again?
Okay.
Bird.
Take one!
Okay. Blah 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 blah. Okay, that looked pretty good. Bird.
Take 2!
So he really does attack. It's the bird! Oh my god! That actually scared me. Did it really?
It's a no, I wait for you to be like,
The bird! The bird! The bird! It's gonna scare me. It's the bird! Yeah, well, at least I can tell somebody, hey, I got a guy wet at the movie theater.
damn you. Damn you, playing the movie.
Oh shit, did I play the movie? Whoops. Oh, no, crouching face, sorry.
It's a camera! Sorry, camera. Sorry, I violated you.
He might have feelings. Okay, I can't even look it down with these 3D glasses on. I'm gonna fall on my ass.
To the left.
To the left, to the left. I got it, Beyonce. Okay.
To the left.
In 3D, right? Right,
Yep.
Holly?
Yep.
You got it. What was the scariest part? And epic. So good. Where's my dance stream? It's so good.
Alright,
Start over. Okay. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about sex.
Let's talk about sex.
Like sticky floors. I was go get popcorn.
Oh, no.
Couldn't.
It's not why the floor is sticky.
Oh my god, he is coming
It's
after
coming
me.
out.
Oh my god, coming out.
Coming out of me.
Oh, it sounds like we watched porno. We didn't. I want to pull the bird. Just give me my moment. I can't act. I can pull a string, okay? I'm like a puppet master. Okay, ready? That wasn't even the scariest part of our day. Really? You know what the scary part was? I started dancing. I got the bird! Were we recording?